There's Snowball.
She's a persistent one.
Whoa! She did it.
I think she knows her best chances of escape are...
She's the escape artist. Whoa! Boop! Snowball. Show me your pretty face. No, not over the edge yet.
Over the edge! You should take one when she's on her side like that. Oh, you just missed a good picture opportunity.
It's videotaping.
Oh. You can do it, little girl.
Don't.